Hello! In this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on REALME GT3. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume down button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And you can let go power button when you see your logo on your screen. And from here you have to select your language with volume buttons and then press power button to select. And as you can see, I'm now in recovery mode. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.